Welcome everyone to fast charge the Nothing Phone 2. You have the charging cable which is included in the box. You can use it or not use it, that's up to you. What is not included, and this is the most important one, is the charging brick. Nothing Phone 2 supports up to 45 watts of charging, and you want a 45 watt charging brick. You can use higher, you can use 100 watts, 150 watts. The phone won't put in all of that power. It will only use 45 watts. So you could use your MacBook charger or your laptop charger, and you wouldn't have to worry about throwing the Nothing Phone. So you place one end of the charger in the brick, other end in the phone, and you're going to see the fast charging. So I'm just going to connect the charger into the brick. And look at that, you can see charging rapidly, and this will be charging at the full 45 watts. Nothing Phone does not sell charging bricks on their site. With that being said, if you'd like to help support the channel, please do check the description. Bye bye.